Hey everyone, so this is our video number 4. So in this video we are going to discuss the packet switched networks. In our previous video we have discussed about delay, loss and throughput. So let's get into the topic. Packet switched networks. So before directly going into the topics, we should know what is meant by packets. Packet is nothing but the entire data which is divided into small units, that each unit is known as packet. Packet switched network is nothing but a type of computer communication network where the data is divided into small units called packets, and each packet is transmitted independently through the network to the destination across various networks. So this is the complete definition of what is meant by packet and what is meant by packet switched network. In packet switched networks, each packet contains the data plus header information. The header information is nothing but the source and destination address, sequence number, etc. The header information helps each data packet to transfer from source to the destination. As the entire data is broken down into packets and each data packet is moved from source to destination. So at destination, all the packets are reassembled into a single original message. Unlike the circuit switched networks, the packet switching allows for shared network resources, efficient data transmission, flexible routing, just as seen in internet. So let's understand more in depth about the working of packet switched networks. These packet switched networks follows a step-by-step procedure. The first step is data segmentation. A message or a file is broken down into small pieces called packets. Each packet has contents like header with control information, source and destination addresses, etc. The next step is independent routing. The router in the network helps to analyze the header and guide each packet along the most efficient path. The path may differ for different packets within the same message. The next step is store and forward. Packets are stored temporarily at routers before being forwarded to the next stop. This mechanism is called store and forward. Reassembly. At destination, the receiving devices reassembles the packets in the correct order to reconstruct the entire original message. The characteristics. So the packet switching networks have some key characteristics, like it uses two switching approaches. The first one is datagram networks. It is a connectionless and each packet is routed independently. The next one is virtual circuit networks. Packets follow the path which is set up at first. No dedicated connection. Unlike circuit switching, there is no pre-established continuous dedicated connection. Potential for out of order arrival. Packets from same message can arrive in a different order than they were sent. So it's a key drawback of packet switching networks. Here, the packets that are sent from the source. So from the source, the packets are sent in a particular order. But when it comes to the destination, they arrive in out of order or not in the order which they are sent from the source. So the next key characteristic is store and forward method. We have discussed it that they directly won't send the packets. They at first they store and they forward to the destination or to the next stop. And the packet switching networks efficiently use the networks. So there are advantages of packet switching networks. They are efficient bandwidth usage, robust and fault tolerant, supports bursty data. There are some disadvantages too. Packets may arrive out of order. Packet loss, delay, jitter may occur. It needs additional mechanism for reliability. So it's a simple topic, and it can be given in, or it can be asked in examination. So it's better to have an overall idea. So that's it for this video. Keep learning.